Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked yesterday about the consolidation areas in this tape. Consolidated and dropped, little lift, consolidation, lifted, consolidation, lifted. I got a feeling we are entering into another consolidation period here. Can see it a little better on the hourly chart. I know you guys love it when I draw boxes. We'll just, right here, we'll just do it live. That's basically what you're talking about throughout the course of the week. Now, it's not a super tight range. It's chopping like hell, though, in the short term. And it gets back to the theory that I've always had about when you're short-term trading long-term inflection points, it can become a problem. Chop, whip, a lot of indecision. Most of these days are centering in and around the hourly mid-band, which is what you would expect. Coming into today, they took it down in and towards the lows from yesterday. They went down and did 55, which was not 49 from Monday. So the bottom of that range kind of holds. The high is still 43.27.5. They made a higher low there, right in and around the Europe Open, down around 58, and they've taken it back up above the hourly mid-band over the course of the last 4 hours, trading as high as 93. So we'll see how we open up today. You've got a roundie involved there, 4,300. Volume weighted average price comes in 75.5. Hourly mid-band right now is 42.74.5. So you've got those two locked up, 74.75. And our proprietary moving average is locked up with the daily pivot in around 83.84. So 74 to 84 is something that one of these sides is going to have to convert if you want to get really a move back up to the top of the range or some conversion to get back down to the bottom of the range. So we're really talking about 43.25 to 42.50. So it's 75 handles, which sounds great, but it's not trading like it's 75 handles. It's trading more like it's about 20 handles. So I'm expecting whip and chop, indecision off the open. All I'm looking to get out of today is maybe one or two decent moves. Get the day made, just keep moving, just keep moving the ball down the field every day. We live on consistency at Princeton Trader. In the room, consistent every day. We make our handles every day, every week, every month, and the rest kind of takes care of itself. So that when you get into days that are utterly untradeable, and a couple of these mornings, the first 15, 20, 30 minutes are pretty damn close. Unless you want to sit around and scalp trade, and that's just not what we do. Have fun with that. In the bigger picture, when you look at weeks, months, things like that, you don't have to be in every single inch of the tape all the time. If this thing really dips down and starts to consolidate again, starts to do things like this, and you can see the Bollinger Bandwidth starting to, try to tick down a little bit. If that gets worse and you end up back down in this kind of situation, which we've seen, we see it here and we saw it here, less is definitely more. It's a situation where the market just dangles over trading in front of your face. And it dangles every bad habit you have in front of your face. And you've got to fight against that stuff, block out the noise, follow the rules, hit your number, move on to the next day. Hit your number, move on to the next day. And you need to have a realistic number. So that's where we are coming into this. Let's see where we are. I mentioned yesterday on a down move, I was looking to see if they could close it below 43.25. Bears couldn't even close it below the Monday low, so that's a problem. Bulls, you're no better. I got a series of lower highs here. So we open in a half an hour. We'll see where we're at, and we'll go from there. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come learn how to trade this stuff. Get in the room. If you're tearing yourself up, if you're having trouble, if you're struggling, you got to come in. Come and see us. Great group of people, and I think you'll really like what you find. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.